Student, let's move on to part 3 of chapter 11, Light, Sound and Force. Now in this we will begin with sound. Children, sounds are all around us. We hear a variety of sounds every day, like the sounds of birds, animals, doorbells, horns of vehicles, mobile phones, etc. are some of the day-to-day sounds we hear. The ability to hear sound is a great gift of God. Sound is made up of vibrations or sound waves that we can hear. Sound waves travel through air, water and solid object as vibration. When they reach our ears, these waves make the delicate skin of the eardrums vibrate. The brain recognizes this vibration as sounds made by different things. Not all sounds are pleasant, but they are necessary. Students, some sounds are pleasant to hear, whereas some are unpleasant. Let's see pleasant sounds. Pleasant sounds can be defined as the sound which feel happy to hear. For example, sound of river flowing, waterfall sound or sound of birds like cuckoo, etc. Whereas unpleasant sounds. Now, unpleasant sounds can be defined as a sound which can irritate us and can damage our eardrums. For example, sounds of construction sites, horns of trains and other vehicles, rock music, etc. Loud and unpleasant sounds are called noise. We get disturbed by noise. We should avoid making such sounds. We should not use horns of our vehicles unnecessarily. This is called noise pollution. Students, you can usually see pollution on the land, in air or in water. But noise pollution is invisible. You cannot see it, but it is still harmful. So we must speak softly and play TV and music at low volume. Now, let's move on to the next topic, force. Children, in our daily life, we often use our muscles to pull or push things. For example, we pull up a glass of milk to get it to our mouth. We push an object to move in a particular direction. We come to realize that either a pull or push is required to move an object. So, force is a push or pull on an object. We uses force to walk, to lift any object, to throw anything, to move any object from its place, or to stop a moving object, etc. In short, force is there in every activity we do. By applying force, we usually doing anything in motion or in rest position, but not always. For example, if we apply force on a wall, it doesn't move. When force moves things, work is said to be done. Now let's see what is friction. Children, when you kick a ball, it will move, but does not move forever. It gradually slows down and stops. The force that makes the ball slow down is called friction. Friction is a force that opposes motion. Friction occurs between two surfaces that are touching, such as the surface of the ball and the ground. Friction slows down the movement. Now children, let's take a quick review what we have learnt in all the three parts. So let's begin. First, we can see objects when light falls on them. Next, luminous objects give light, but non-luminous objects do not give out light. Next, when the path of a light is blocked by an object, its shadow is formed. Next, eclipses are formed when the moon or the earth blocks the sunlight. Next, some sounds are pleasant, some are not. And the last, a push or pull is called force. Thank you.